We are not gathered here today because Cheryl Lowe tried to revolutionize education. We are here because she resisted the fads of time and had the conviction to repeatedly notice and retain what was good when it came to forming young minds. We are fortunate to have been under her meticulous scrutiny for so many years, but now it is our turn to continue her legacy. Though she is no longer with us, Cheryl Lowe taught us well. Choosing the best option, the best book, the best use of time is truly what distinguishes a great school and a great teacher. The scripture, the poetry, the songs, the literary passages are formative and life-giving. They are the truths to which we cling, the stories to which we allude, and the facts with which we persuade. With these points mastered, I have no doubt that you're going to ace the test ahead, which is leading your own school in a classical education. Traditional education emphasizes order, memorization, and mastery. Mastery demonstrates that patience and perseverance promote not only learning a subject, but more importantly, loving that subject. At Memoria Press, we believe all people are worthy of its end: truth, beauty, and goodness. We think classical education should be available to everyone who seeks it. A classically educated student has an increasingly rare understanding of his past and unlimited potential regarding his future.